You know I'm right.
I don't. Actually, I don't know you're right. You're not right.
Then arrest me.
I'm trying to give you an opportunity to walk away.
On January 25th, 2026, an intoxicated subject outside an establishment demanded arrest from a police officer 4 times. The officer declined 3 times before the legal foundation matured. This analysis examines 3 questions: whether the officer's restraint reflected sound constitutional doctrine, whether the eventual trespass arrest met probable cause requirements, and whether the subject's verbal provocations could have supported a retaliatory arrest claim.
Okay. Arrest me. Arrest me.
Go. Arrest me.
Like literally, just fucking arrest me. I can be done with it.
I ain't doing this. Go. Now. I can physically escort you if you like.
You know I'm in the right.
I don't know you're in the right. I just really don't feel like freaking dealing with your shit right now and taking you to jail. I really don't.
Take me to jail.
Go. Alright. You're motivating me to take you to jail.
No, am I doing anything? Like I'm literally not allowed to get a fucking...
I literally watched you get in their face and be aggressive.
I did. Dude,
what's that?
Honestly, man. You're...
Go.
No, arrest me.
High five. Copy. Hey, this guy's starting shit with people. Do you want him on the property or not? Okay.
Have you caused a problem?
This guy's trying to start a fight right here. So you guys want him on the property at all? Nope? Okay.
So they're allowed to dictate.
No, you're in their face though.
No, I was not. I literally just walked up.
You were in their face. Go home.
Go home. The fact
Don't walk up. Go home.
the fact is you have zero...
Right in that group over there.
You're trying to act like you have the ability to arrest me.
I have to be.
And you don't.
I'm just really trying not to.
Then do it. Then do it. Put me in handcuffs.
It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
Put me in
You're
handcuffs.
here to have a good time. I'm really trying not to
Put
get
me in
something.
handcuffs. Put me in handcuffs. Put me in handcuffs.
He said he doesn't want him on the property.
That's fine.
security.
I'm not on the property. I'm on the sidewalk.
Then move along.
Put me in handcuffs. I'm allowed to be where I'm at. You know I'm right.
I don't. Actually, I don't know you're right. You're not right.
Then arrest me.
I'm trying to give you an opportunity to walk
Then arrest
away.
me. Then arrest me.
I know that you're intoxicated. I'm trying to give you an opportunity to walk away.
Then arrest me, man. Honestly, man.
Because I got other shit to deal with, man. Other than this stupid shit right now.
Then arrest me.
Alright, you want to stay with him? I gotta make a phone call back. Sorry, real quick.
Yeah. Do they want to trespass?
Yeah, well, they don't want him on the property.
But I'm not on their freaking property.
Okay. Alright.
I'm not going to play with you, man.
Bro, just go home, dude. Take me to jail. They're gonna.
You're on private property now. You've been asked to leave. I've already given you a warning. You're about to go to jail.
Literally trespass.
Thanks, man. Go. Please. Thank you.
I did not do it, guys.
Right now, you're trespassing.
Then arrest me. Then be done with it.
Alright. I'm about sick of it.
Arrest them.
Want to go get their information over there?
Yeah.
Come on, I've got 11015. Thank you. So wait. Turn around, face it. You want to do me a favor? You want to hold him real quick so I can turn on the camera? I'm going to have to move my car out away from the wall again, man. It's COM 195. We were on previously on a 13th. The subject refused to leave, so, and needed to trespass, so right now it's 10:15. Alright, can I grab one real quick? Yeah, it's mine.
Okay, so let's do this. Please, speak apart. I was trying to address you by your name, but just wider. Thank you.
Too many opportunities to walk away. Do you have anything on you? Poke me, seek me, stab me, any weapons of any kind?
City of Houston versus Hill, 1987. Protects verbal challenges directed at police officers as constitutionally protected speech. The Supreme Court held that the First Amendment guards a significant amount of verbal criticism of law enforcement. The subject's demands and taunts, including the explicit invitation to arrest, fall within this protection. The officer's refusal to arrest on the basis of speech alone is precisely what the doctrine requires. American trespass law requires 3 elements: that the property is held by another, that the suspect has been asked to leave or warned not to enter, and that the suspect knowingly remains after the warning. Each element must be independently established on the record. None can be inferred from speech alone. The officer's consultation with the property owner, the formal verbal warning, and the subject's continued presence assembled the case piece by piece. Under Maryland v. Pringle, 2003, probable cause requires a fair probability, not certainty, that an offense has occurred. With each trespass element captured on body-worn camera, the threshold is satisfied multiple times over. Atwater v. Lago Vista, 2001, confirms custodial arrest for misdemeanors supported by probable cause is constitutionally permissible. United States v. Watson, 1976, settles the warrantless public arrest authority. The officer's repeated formulation that the subject was being given an opportunity to walk away is textbook pre-arrest verbal de-escalation endorsed by the Police Executive Research Forum and the International Association of Chiefs of Police. The technique creates a documentary record of restraint, places responsibility for any subsequent arrest on the subject's decisions, and preserves the option of declining arrest if the situation resolves voluntarily.
Grab the other one over there. Alright, if you want to walk in the way so I can pull my car out of the way, I'm going to grab a bag and put all that stuff in there. You got all their information?
Yeah, he's the only one that wants to press charges when he walked over to him.
Okay. What's that? If you want to, you can. Just get his information. That'd be great. Army CW2, Texas. Want to run them on 2 for me? Right, bring it back here.
One of my best friends on this island I was a former federal agent myself. And I'm literally...
You want to bring it back here for you?
This officer here, you can request your head when you get it.
Yeah, it's 34 and disorderly.
The subject's repeated demands to be arrested are volunteered statements, not the product of interrogation. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, 1980, interrogation requires officer conduct reasonably likely to elicit incriminating responses. Offering an off-ramp is the opposite of conduct designed to elicit incrimination. It is conduct designed to allow the subject to avoid it entirely. No Miranda violation arises on this record. Nieves v. Bartlett, 2019, governs First Amendment retaliatory arrest claims under Section 1983. The court held that a plaintiff must generally plead and prove the absence of probable cause. Because the trespass arrest rests on documented probable cause, independent of any speech-based provocation, any retaliatory arrest claim would be defeated at the threshold. The doctrine protects officers who arrest for lawful reasons even when subjects are verbally hostile. The arresting officer earns an A-. Repeated structured verbal warnings, proper trespass element assembly, distinction between protected speech and prohibited conduct, and no use of force beyond standard handcuffing. The subject earns a D. Intoxicated trespass, after multiple opportunities to walk away, explicit demands to be arrested, and the predictable legal consequence of refusing every off-ramp offered. The First Amendment protected his words, not his location. 3 lessons emerge. First, walking away from a police encounter, when offered as an alternative to arrest, is almost always the legally optimal choice. Second, verbal disrespect of police is protected speech under Houston v. Hill, but remaining on private property after warning is not. Third, Officer patience is a finite resource. The structured warnings in this encounter were not infinite, and they did not need to be. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.